When machining companies describe what makes them different, a few traits are typically cited: quality, speed, and versatility. At A1J Technologies, that's our claim to fame. So how is it different here? Let's take a look. Our home is in the heart of Silicon Valley, and doing things with speed, with the best technology, is the only way we know. Since 1991, we've grown our footprint, expertise, and capability. Today, our customers enjoy offerings that are rarely housed under one roof. Precision milling and turning, from small to large form factor, metal fabrication, precision grinding, micro laser processing, EDM, precision cleaning, and clean room assembly. It's all here at A1J. This level of vertical integration and all the benefits that come with it is what keeps customers coming back. The combination of speed, versatility, and quality is simply unmatched. Which brings us to the challenge we have for you. Try to find another manufacturing partner with this amount of in-house expertise and proven performance. Whether it's designing, prototyping, or mass production, large parts or small, for medical, aerospace, or semiconductor. If it's a challenge, it's destined to ship out, fast and to spec, from A1J.